Usually on these videos we show you some major job that has come through the workshop recently, but today I thought we would just show that we're still doing basic service work, and not just on sports cars. Macans, Panameras, Cayennes and transaxle cars all come through our door. This Macan S was in very good condition and needed very little after a minor service and brake fluid change. With the fault codes checked and cleared and both service counters reset, there was only the pollen filter to replace, and this one is ready to go back on the road.